You're a wedding photographer and you've been running Facebook ads. And while you do get rich views and traffic, you get little to no leads. So today I'm gonna tell you a few reasons why you're spending money on Facebook meta ads but still not getting the same results as me. Starting with your landing page sites. A landing page is where you are directing people after they click on your ad. And here are the mistakes you could be making that are costing you money. The quality of your landing page doesn't match the quality of your ad. You need to keep the same quality, you need to make it look premium, and you need to keep it consistent with your ads. Your landing page is too slow to load, or the page could be broken. You might even have entered the wrong URL on the ad set, and no one's gonna tell you about it, so you have to triple check. This has happened to me before. It took me ages to realize, and that costed me so much money. Or it could be that you're using the wrong page as your landing page. The best practice here is to send people straight to a page where they can give out the information as soon as possible. Normally, I will create a specific page for that one campaign and hide it from my website homepage. Keep in mind that too much information, too much text, or too many images might take people off track. A lot of photographers send people to their homepage, portfolio, or their About Me page. And let's be real here, no one wants to read about your life story or how many degrees you have. Leads just want to know, can you shoot my wedding? How much? And how do I do that? You don't want to give them the chance to change their mind or get pissed off because there's just too much fluff. Lastly, you don't have a clear inquiry path on your landing page. If they can't see what to do straight away, they overthink and leave. Which leads me to your next mistake. 2. No clear call to action. Picture this. A bride's scrolling on Instagram and she stumbles across your ad. She loves your photos and your offer and clicks on your link. She lands on your website and she is immediately overloaded with information. Or she can't even find a clear button or contact form straight away. Remember, this is someone who is dealing with so many wedding vendors, and if she has to dig for it, her brain gets overwhelmed and she leaves. That's exactly why a clear CTA right in her face is so important. It cuts through the BS and shows her the one simple next step to actually get the info she's seeking. But you might even make this mistake before she gets to your landing page, because a CTA isn't just a big sign telling people to submit an inquiry. A good CTA gives people a reason to take action. It creates desire, it creates FOMO, it creates urgency. When you're running ads, you must give them a reason to stop scrolling and go to your landing page. So your CTA could be urgency focused, pushing them to act now because dates are running out. Or it could be offer focused, making them to feel like they are getting something special right now. Or it could be FOMO focused, reminding them not everyone gets in. It's limited and it's special. That's why having an irresistible offer is such a smart strategy. Number 3, you have no offer or encouragement, especially when you are secretly desperate to book weddings. And look, there's no shame there, okay? The average photographer, including myself, feels this way every time they open bookings for the new year. The uncertainty of having 0 to no weddings booked is so scary, but having an offer is not about being cheap or undercharging yourself. It's about creating value. In fact, the best offers actually make you look more premium. For example, I recently stopped offering full videography, so I created a limited time package that includes full photography coverage plus full ceremony and speeches videos. I framed it as an exclusive deal because I'll be be fully stopping video after this. Obviously, I lowered the price, but only after setting it at a number that covered expenses and gave me a good profit. That offer quickly became my winning package for 2026. But you could offer anything, like you could offer film photography for no extra cost for the first 5 couples, a wedding album, a wall frame, a second photographer, whatever adds value and gives couples that little hit of FOMO if they don't reach out now. Yes, there are photographers who don't need offers or special deals or even Facebook ads because they've built the authority and the reputation. Most of us, average photographers, we need that little encouragement to get people over the line. But if you feel like you're doing all that, your ad's good, your offer solid, your landing page is top notch, and you're still not getting leads, this is the part you might hate me for, because truth be told, your portfolio needs work. 4. No experience, weak portfolio. Sometimes it's just a lack of experience. Other times it could be that you are choosing the wrong images that don't attract couples. So the best thing you could do here is keep building. Second shoot for other photographers, work for established wedding photography companies, and just keep improving, finding your style, building trust with other vendors, finding the gap in the market, creating authority in the industry. And it also helps to pay attention to what's working for other photographers. Look at what they share, what's getting the most engagement, the ads they've been running, and the images they've been posting. Also, get feedback from friends you trust. See what images catch their eyes the most and what words compel them the most. Now, if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, specifically for wedding photography, you have to watch this video right here, because I go over the 5 best practices for running Facebook ads as a wedding photographer, and I'll see you there. If you made it this far, thank you so much, and just know I love you back. Now, if you want to feel more confident running ads, get more leads, and book more weddings, you can actually grab my Facebook ads creative template comment down below, and please subscribe, because man, this is a lot of work, and I will be posting more videos all about Facebook meta ads so you can keep improving with me. Also, I am putting together a live workshop about Facebook meta ads, which I am honestly super nervous about, but you can join the waitlist already, and yeah, put pressure on myself now so I can actually get out of my head and enter action. Alright, love you, bye.